today what we're going to do, now that we've got the cage done and the gas tank bracket in, we're going to put the suspension and the axles into it. This is a new body motor, so I need new body axles. I have axles over there, I'm just not sure which ones are new body, which ones are old body. You guys want to know the difference between old body and new body. The cups are just a little bit bigger. If you change out the whole axle, they'll work, but if you half shaft it like how this one is done, they will not half shaft because they're different sizes. ID, OD, you guys know that. So we have these spindles right here. I have no idea what they're off of. Because these brackets are cut off means I've ran them with my Mazda B2200 rims, so they are a matching set, which is kind of nice, and they do have brakes on them, which is kind of nice. So let's get these up on there. I do have to change this tie rod, so we will probably be doing that shortly. I'd like to make it so that I can change the whole tie rod just in case something happens at the demolition derby. I can easily change the entire tie rod. So yeah, let's get going at this. Well, do you guys remember when I said we had matching set of spindles because the little guards were cut off? Well, it turns out they're not matching because I have 3 driver sides and no passenger side. So we got to go find a different spindle for this side. So let's go on an adventure through all my used parts and see what I can find. Well, we got the suspension all together. We got the tie rods on, we got the struts in, we got the spindles on, spindle nuts, axles, brake lines. I'm still waiting for this one to bleed itself. It should be there soon. But we have the passenger side all together, and then we have the driver side all together. So everything's been put back together. Just waiting for the brakes to bleed. Put the bolt in my steering down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, right there. I forgot to put that in the past, so we have chain on this motor mount, and we got that motor mount in there. I'm not sure if they're going to let me run that or not. I'm going to bring a different one just in case they don't, but it doesn't hurt to have it in there. You know, if they say remove it, I'll remove it. If they say I can leave it, it's going to stay. We got the strut bar in. What else have we done? Oh, so you guys know I was just proud of trying to do the right thing and buy all these high pressure clamps from Amazon. Yeah, mini hose clamp seals, the good stuff. These are all the high pressure ones because, you know, the line was coming inside it. I bought the good line actually for transmission lines, everything. Like, I bought everything that I needed. Well, I started looking at it today. Now, I tightened all these and none of them broke the other day. Let's see if I can get the light down here. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see how those bolts broke on that? Just the heads popped off. They broke right underneath the heads. You see that one? And it's not just those ones. It's this one up here. Look at that. Right there. Same thing. I don't understand how these are snapping like that. So we're going to go buy some ones from Napa. Maybe they're a little bit higher quality. But yeah. So with all the front suspension back in, we got the motor in there. The only thing we don't have new on the motor is the spark plug wires. I'd still have to do the fuel line. I got the shifter in, but it's not bolted to the floor yet. I just kind of have one bolt in it so it doesn't go anywhere. I put my aftermarket steering quick release onto it. I am going to have to touch that with a file a little bit. I haven't ran the aftermarket steering wheel yet. I did buy it at Blizzard Bash. It's in another car. So I'm going to take it out and put it in this here in maybe a few days or so. We got the gas tank in, we got all that fun stuff, but the car's coming along. It's just hard to be out here working on it these days. I'm not really feeling the push, you know what I mean? This derby's coming up quick and I'm not really feeling the push. So I'm not even making any videos right now. I'm making them, I'm just not even editing or uploading them, so sorry guys. But I am out here trying to make it so I don't go completely insane. And yeah. But car's coming along. Still got a lot to do, but it's slowly getting there. Might try to do a little bit more for today, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna. Maybe put a battery box in it, throw a gas tank in it, that fun stuff. I'd like to put a fuel pressure regulator in it, and still so much stuff to do to this thing. Still so much stuff to do. But getting excited. Some things about this cage I don't like, especially when it goes this narrow. If you're not centered in the car 100%, like the gas tank's not centered, so I'm gonna have to make sure the gas tank fits in this thing, and I don't know. I don't like power seats, but I don't have any Avalon seats that are not power, so still so much to do on it. So much to do. But still waiting for the doubles. I dropped off getting 5 sets of doubles made from DeChance Doubles, so hopefully he gets back to me. And yeah, maybe I'll make a video when he gets back to me. We can go there and drop them off. But thanks for watching, guys. Sorry this video's a bit down near the end. Take care.